how to blur the background in the video call on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. After that, scroll down and make sure you turn on video effects. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From here, open up your your video app, such as Messenger or WhatsApp. Here, I will start the video call. After that, you swipe down at the top here, so swipe down once or twice, and then tap on video effects. From here, tap on background, then choose, by default it's set to none, so you want to choose blur. Here, you can choose how much blur to apply for the background. So here I would choose, say, 6. And then tap on the back key. So here, this is what it looks like. I'm blurring the background here. You can see my hand, and if I move my hand further back, it is now blurred. So I can blur the background by using this built-in feature that comes with your Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. And that's it. That is how you can blur the background during a video call on your Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.